In today's video with Animal Company, I'm gonna be, what is it again? Cook every single monster in the game. Yeah. That makes sense. Alright, let's get to the video.
Eat you. Really? Little did you know these guys are Steelers. No, I'm just kidding.
Alright guys, let's
You
go!
trust these people, I think. I don't know.
Someone can kill Giant. Always one ammo.
Back in the 1800s, I used to.
I don't know. I used to touch some runners. Is he dead?
Oh, girl.
He's dead! Oh my god!
Ammo!
He's just watching. I mean, no, he's watching. Alright, you'll be our lighter. I just cut that thing in half.
I think I'll need this food. Give me a second.
Let's kill him.
Give me a second, guys.
Yeah. Wait, we could possibly just kill the mimic right here. Chicken time.
Where are you guys?
We're chicken. Chicky time.
Guys, just kill it!
Yeah, I'm back!
Hold on, give me a second.
Moth, we might be cooked.
Why did you guys just let him kill me?
Chat, are we cooked?
Moth's been this guy. Chat, we might be cooked. Ha! Kaboom! That was a good shot. Bomb!
New crate fell down
Where are you guys? Answer me, bro!
We're at the chicken! We just killed chicken and we have 4 dead. Not this one. Not your mother, bro. Not your mother. I don't like your mother. She's not nice.
Who?
Queso. Queso's your mother. I forgot to tell you that. When you were younger.
Not my mother, little bro. What you talking about?
Red light, green light, dead.
We already did, Armstrong. Don't waste your bullets.
Yeah, Armstrong's basically just the bullet form. Alright, we haven't got Angler or the girl. We don't. You know what? Let's not get the girl, bro. There's no way to kill her.
What happened to the last dude?
Wait. Frog. I forgot to mention. I've had this in my bag for a while.
Tap. Scare. That one's kind of broken, by the way.
No, look.
Oh my gosh, it works. It works again. We could use that on the head.
Yo. Should I get an extra one? Wait, didn't we already get the woman since we have it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did, John. No, we weren't even recording.
We haven't got Angler yet.
You guys, we weren't even recording.
So what? I'll just cut in the clip. I'll just cut a clip in. I got one single clip. A clip for me.
Angler's won.
Angler's on its way. There he is! Where? Right over here. angry. Bro, he has anger issues. Is that shotgun ammo? Where's my first guy?
Where'd my light go? How did it get down here?
You're frozen, by the way.
I was holding it.
One of them's frozen.
Where are you? I'm hunted.
Oh shoot! I'm on my way. Oh, by the way, guys, I forgot to record, but just in case I got a picture of the missing
Where are you guys? Hunted, right?
haunted mansion.
That was a fucking close.
I have to restart the recording again.
Sorry. I just got.
I'll just put some very
Sure.
loud music over it.
I got really scared.
We already got the woman. We just have to get the head. We haven't got the head.
Wait, we didn't get the woman. We weren't even recording, bro.
Well, there's proof we got the woman because we still have the camera that we got it on. Maurice,
It's the guy with the light.
he's non-existent.
We need to get the.
My guy, where are you?
I can tell that's
Wow! Yoshi wall!
Oh shoot!
Yoshi! Wow!
That's pretty sick. Nightmare.
My eyes! Wait, this is where we can kill the sis!
We already. Oh yeah, we haven't killed it. We kill it. It's dead.
Yeah!
There's more.
Linggang guli 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 wasa linggang guli. Yo, keep! Linggang guli 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 wasa linggang guli.
We'll need that. Wait.
Yup, I already got the key.
Wait, does the heart count as a monster?
I get the key.
No, I don't like that. I don't like that noise.
Yeah, I know. Skibbity toilet. Skibbity toilet, Ohio Phantom. What?
I don't speak pickup truck, bro. I do not speak pickup truck.
Where'd you guys go? I don't know where to go.
Where's the keyhole? You got the key, right?
Wait up.
Boom. Well, I can hear you.
We can't move.
We have to kill 2 more monsters, and that's it. And they're down in sewers, of course.
Linggang guli 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 wasa linggang.
I think they're going insane.
Guli wasa.
Wow, that thing's running around. I forget if we got the turkeys or not. Oh, we did.
Linggang guli guli
skibidi toilet.
Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. That's me, Sigma.
Sigma.
No, big bomb! You're hurting my ears. With my revolver.
Where is the large can of soap?
My revolver might be good. We just lost both of the bombs. Wait, where do I? We might have to go to a different strategy.
Are you guys?
No, I know we have to.
Can we grind for money?
When this video's up.
Like, can we? Yeah! When this video's done!
Alright, I have bombs.
We did all
We
of
have
it.
to bombs.
Wait, we haven't did that. We have...
Oh, by the way, if you haven't noticed, click it.
Wait, where's Mimic?
Mimic might be dead.
We're so close, dude.
Mimic is cooked.
Yeah, Mimic is cooked.
Sorry.
Mimic's more cooked than your grandma.
Damn, bro.
I'm going mentally
What's your serious?
insane. Shut up.
Why so stupid?
I don't like that.
Why so skibbity is crazy. What do you mean? Why so skibbity?
What is why?
What's
I just mean why so stupid, I mean.
I killed it.
Why so stupid, you know?
I only have one more shot. If the shot doesn't hit, then we're cooked.
Dude, the golden toilet paper roll.
It's here, it's here, it's here. I see, I see. I might have killed it.
You guys did what? What are you guys?
We've been in sewers. I did Mission Impossible and I won. We beat all the monsters in the game except for Big Bomb.
I doubt Big Bomb is gonna be possible.
It's possible.
Well,
Run, run, run!
yeah, it's not gonna be possible because, like, we can't even...
Can't go back here. Give me my bag then. Back here, it's safer.
Yo, you guys, come back to...
What's the Sigma? Skibbity bag.